What's up, everybody? It's Jesse Woods again. Thanks so much for hopping onto my YouTube page. Right now the R32 GTR Skyline is in the shop. I had an issue with the transmission. I'm guessing either one or some of the pins on the selector forks either got broke or something like that. All right, so as you can see, it can move around in neutral, clutch in. It can go into different gears. Second, third, fourth, all that stuff. Right now it's in neutral. And then let's put the key in. It's in neutral. I don't have to clutch in neutral. I shouldn't have to clutch in neutral. I'm not. We'll try to turn on and watch. It's going to try to lurch forward and then it's just going to basically stall. See? Boom, right there. Just stalled. So now clutch in. Now I'm clutched in. I got the handbrake up. It's in neutral still. Clutch in. Start it. Takes a little bit. Okay, it's on right now, right? Car's on, but it's in neutral. It's still in neutral. I've got clutch in. The moment I start releasing the clutch, watch this. It wants to go forward a little bit and it just stalled. Boom. So I clutched in before, I tried to clutch back in before it stalled, but that happened. Now, turn it back on. Okay, it's on again. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the first. It goes in the first. It's not grinding now, but let's see if it'll drive. I'm gonna put this down. Let's see if it drives forward at all. I'm releasing the clutch. Nope, not going anywhere, and it's not doing anything. So put it back in neutral, turn it off. Right now they're taking it apart to figure it out. They're supposed to have it taken apart last week, but they got caught up with some things. So now they're taking it apart this week over the next few days, hopefully. So we'll hopefully get that fixed. Hopefully it is an easy fix. Hopefully nothing else was damaged. It's really weird because this is like a really brand new transmission with like maybe, I don't know, 1,000 or so miles on it. Nothing too crazy. It shouldn't have had this issue. But anyways, hopefully we can get it fixed. Hopefully something minor. Hopefully, we'll see. But anyways, I don't have the car right now, so I can't make any cool videos. But what I'm gonna do is show you all the journey from when I first got the car to where it's at right now. So it's just gonna be a mixture of a bunch of random videos I've been taking over the last year and a half, starting with the first video being, or the first clip being when the car was on a dyno in Japan from the last owner. I remember he sent me this video when I was first trying to purchase the car. He sent me the video showing it on dyno and stuff, how much power it made, all that stuff. Anyways, that will be the first clip, and then we'll just go from there to when I first bought it, looking through the first build that was on the car, the fun I had with it, drag racing at the drag strip, then doing the new build, getting all that stuff in, going back to the drag strip, and just having fun with it. So yeah, stay tuned because you're about to see some, the journey, the journey of the R32 GTR. So I've been super pumped and super excited. I finally just got that R32 Skyline GTR 1991, and this thing is beautiful. It is awesome. It's super, super cool. I am still learning a lot about this car. I have a build sheet for it, so all that stuff is listed in it. I've reviewed it, but I don't have it memorized because it's a bunch of stuff. So please, bear with me if I don't know everything that I'm showing you right now in the car because I'm still trying to figure it out. But when I was buying the car, I did look through it and it all looked good. Car sounds pretty healthy. It has just over 60,000 miles or so on it. In kilometers, I can't remember what it is. It's like 97. It's actually just under 60,000 miles. But anyways, somewhere around that ballpark. Pretty good car. Definitely has a lot of goodies to it, as you can probably hear. We're gonna head over here to the you can hear it's pretty healthy. This thing, cam motor. Always love cam motor. It's a little dirty. I gotta take this thing and get it all washed. I need to find some way to put some type of little heat shield around this area somewhere so I don't catch this thing on fire one day. But yeah, man, this thing is it's a beauty. It's a runner. love that I can adjust the boost and stuff on the go. I can change the high boost, low boost settings. You know, I can put it at whatever percentage I want. Right now, I just got it at like 50% for like low boost and like 60 for high. I could obviously go a lot higher than that, but I'm just haven't messed with it yet. So let me get used to the car. Let me figure out this old right-hand drive scenario. That is definitely different for me. Haven't ever done that in my life. Being here in the US, we left-hand drive everything. But man, this thing is, I love it. It's cool. It's like really, really cool. It has this Duluck body kit on it all the way around. You know, it has suspension upgrades on it, like coilovers, adjustable coilovers, some beautiful wheels on this thing. It has some upgraded brakes on it. I believe these are the brakes from the R33 GTR. I gotta go check on that, but I believe it's that. Obviously, you can see the motor right here, RB26. You know, nice little goodies inside of here. Upgraded turbos, so it does not have the stock R32 GTR turbos on it. These are upgraded turbos. The car, last time it was dynoed, made just over 500 wheel horsepower from what the guy told me and showed me. But I would love to take it to a dyno and see what it's making. And I would love to check out some different boost settings and see what it's making at certain boost settings so that I know kind of what I'm working with and I can adjust the power accordingly depending on what I'm doing with the vehicle. But yeah, this thing's a beauty. It sounds good. I just love this cam motor. But the only thing is, I definitely want to make this thing louder. I gotta figure out where's the restriction. If it's a muffler or wherever, let's make this thing a little bit louder. I love loud cars. I got a C6 Z06 that's loud as heck. And I have an Audi S5. It's not crazy loud, but it's decently loud and it sounds awesome. This car still sounds good though. I love it. RB26, it's dropped a little bit. I mean, it's good ride height too. With the ride height, I mean, you can see right here, it's not like too crazy low where I'm going to scrape on everything. Obviously, it has some scrapes. I mean, the car was driven, you know, so it does have some scrapes, some little nicks and knacks, whatever. It's a car. At the end of the day, it's supposed to be driven. This thing is supposed to be driven on the road all the time. And, you know, see right here from the Nissan Motor Company. But yeah, love this car. It's cool. I definitely need to dive in more and learn exactly what I have as far as modifications to this thing. But it is modified decently and makes some good power, and it's pretty strong. Still stock transmission. Has an upgraded clutch, that's for sure. The seats are still in pretty decent shape, I would say. You can see everywhere. I mean, it's just a very well-built car. You know, we'll see how it lasts. You know, I think I need to get a new GTR badge. Now, this one's a little worn out, but get a nice little shiny one. Once again, I need to clean this car because it's dirty. But it's all good. It's dirty because it's been driven. It's been utilized. The guy who had it before me was on deployment in Japan, so you know, he bought it out there, brought it back here to the States, registered it. Look at this huge front intercooler there. Greddy parts in this thing. Tomei, I don't know how to say it. I'm from the US. Tomei, whatever it is. Don't matter. The only thing that matters is that I'm happy to have this car and it's awesome. I'm gonna have to take y'all on a ride with this thing. GTR Skyline R32. Man, this thing is crazy. It's cool. I love it. Right-hand drive. So weird, like driving on this side of the road. I gotta like stay over here close to this side of the lane, because if you position yourself on the road where you normally position your body in a left-hand drive car, things can get interesting pretty quick. But anyways, this is like I just love this car. It's cool. So cool.
you.